Hello everyone, welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today we are going to see how to install Monstra on CentOS 7. Monstra is a modern and fast CMS written in PHP. It has a tons of useful plugins and themes, and it is constantly developed by its developers. With its speed and simplicity, it is a great publishing tool for personal and small business websites. The basic requirements is to have LAMP stack, that is Apache, MariaDB and PHP. While installing MariaDB, create a database user protected by a password specially dedicated for this Monstra CMS, and version of PHP should be above 7. And while installing PHP, install PHP with this following modules and start your installation process. First, I'm going to download the package. For that, go to its official website and get the latest stable version. Copy the link, paste it on your terminal, and download it with the help of wget command. After downloading it, extract it in Apache root directory. Now move to your Apache root directory. You can see a Monstra directory. Now set your owner permission and file execution permission for your Apache root directory, followed by this subdirectory Monstra. Now open your Apache configuration file and set your server name, either your machine's IP address or your domain name. First uncomment this, and I'm providing my machine's domain name. That is your fully qualified domain name. Similarly, check for your directory index details. And change this allow override none to allow override all. Save the changes and restart your Apache service. Now switch to your web browser and enter your machine's IP address or your domain name followed by your Monstra directory. And this is your compatibility check page. If everything is fine, click continue. Provide your site name. I am providing it as Linux help. You can provide on your own. And user details. Your admin user followed by your time zone and admin email ID. Now click install. The installation gets completed and this is your home page. If you want to log in as an admin, you click here. Provide your admin credentials which we have created before, followed by your admin password. To get yourself logged in, and this is your dashboard. You can add your contents such as pages, blocks, files, etc. And extends comprises of plugins, themes, and snippets. System settings, user backup, and other information. Finally, your documentation and official support. You can go and create a new page or new block by entering your URL and name. Similarly, if you want to upload any kind of file such as image file or any other file related to your site, you can do here. Related to your site, you can do here. And thus we have installed Monstra CMS on CentOS 7. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel Linux Help. For further tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com. Any queries, mail to support@linuxhelp.com.